Hi, this is Kevin O'Day, Laramie Middle School Principal, coming to you from the infamous Circle Drive in front of Laramie Middle School. As we prepare for a return to Tier 1, we wanted to put together a quick tutorial of some things that we can all do to make pickup and drop-off go better in Circle Drive. We're going to show you an example of what to do and what not to do in here in just a second, but basically we're going to have cones placed at Circle Drive. And in each cone, you should pull up to that cone, whichever one is available, and that's where your student should get out of your car. We have too many folks that are waiting to get up to the first position by the flagpole before their student gets out, and it backs our traffic up clear out 22nd Avenue. So we'll have cohorts of cars moving through, dropping off all simultaneously, and then pulling out all at the same time, which will allow us a much better traffic flow through Circle Drive. Here you can see the cars all pulling out in one group, which will free up 5 spots for the next group of 5. After the cones are vacated, the next cohort of cars can pull in. You'll see that you want to pull all the way to the first cone, the number 1 position, where you will stop, and then your student should be on the passenger side and they can go ahead and get out. So here you can see a cohort of cars pulling in. They're going to pull all the way up to the first cone, stop, and then their students are going to exit from the passenger side. And then all 5 cars will pull out as one again, freeing up 5 additional spots. And that's how we can make Circle Drive work a lot better for everyone. Great, so now we reviewed how to pull in and pull out 5 cars at a time to clear Circle Drive efficiently and safely for everyone. Some things to remember. Do not pull around cars that are parked at the cones to get out faster. That causes a dangerous situation for cars that are pulling out, potentially resulting in an accident. Also, students who may be getting out of the driver's side of a vehicle. Also, if you know that your student may take a little bit longer than 5 or 6 seconds to get out of the car, patiently wait with your cohort of 5 and then pull in to the longer term guest parking off to your right before you exit the parking lot. Examples of this might be a student who needs to retrieve an instrument out of the back of the car, such as a cello, students who just move a little bit more slowly, students that need to put on a jacket or other things. We really need students to be ready to exit the vehicle immediately as they pull in through their cohort of 5. And if you're going to need a little bit more time, please just pull into the visitor parking and take all the time you need to exit your vehicle safely. Thanks so much, and we're looking forward to our improved drop-off process as being a better part of Tier 1.